Windows users, we need to define the default terminal of 𝚿 to Git Bash. Mac users, you can skip this step. So I launch 𝚿 with the icon on my desktop. Then I go at the top left menu, I select Open Settings. Then I go on the left sidebar to Terminal. In the interface, I check the variable shell and I will change from system to program. Then I remove PowerShell exe from the program. I go back to my path of Git Bash. I copy paste it. I go back to settings. I paste the Git Bash link here. And now I will click outside of the program variable like this. I do Ctrl S. So you see program seems to have shifted slightly blue, so I guess that's okay. I close 𝚿, I restart 𝚿, and here I will, you see you have a small icon terminal panel, so I will click on it, and if the configuration works, you will see the characteristic signature of the Git Bash terminal. If it doesn't work, you will see PowerShell. So you really need to be careful when you are in open settings, terminal shell, you see, so it has saved the correct path. It's a kind of a bug I observed. The path sometimes is not correctly saved. So you really, once you paste the path, really click outside of the path and do Control Save to have this very quick outline, purple outline around program to be sure that it's saved. That's it.